The first term of an arithmetic progression is equal to the first term of the geometric progression. The second term of the AP is equal to the fourth term of the GB, while the 10th term of the AP is equal to the 7th term of the GB. Given that A is the first term and D is the common difference of the AP, while R is the common ratio of the GB, write the two equations connecting the AP and GB. So we are told that the first term and that the second term, remember the second term of AP, so second of the AP is equal to A plus D. That is the second one. But this the second one of the AP is equal to the fourth term of GB. So this one will be the fourth. Fourth will be A R n minus 1. So that is 4 minus 1, which is 3. This is the fourth. This is the fourth GB. Good. And then the 10th term of AP, the 10th will be A plus 9D will be equal to the 7th term of the GB. 7th will be A R 6. Good. So these are the two equations connecting the GB and the AP. Find the value of R that satisfy the progression. Good. So we know that getting R for a GB, we have A R6 divided by A R3 will be equal to A plus 9D divided by A plus D. Right? And this one also will be the second divided by the first one, which is equal to A plus D divided by A. A is the first term. So opposite one maybe first term in A. For AP or GB, the first term is A. So this one would actually be, if this one goes like this we are going to have R cube will be equal to this. A plus 9D over A plus D equal to A plus D over A. So now we assume with this and then we deal with this so that we have the value of A and D. So let us now cross multiply this times that. So we'll have A times A, we will have A square plus 9D times A, we have 9AD is equal to A plus D square. A plus D square, this is A square plus AD, 2AD plus D square. Now we have A square plus 9AD is equal to A square plus 2AD plus D square. Right? This and this will cancel out. So we will bring like terms together. 9AD minus hii kikuja pande itafuka ikuwe negative. We have 7AD is equal to D square. So let us remove this D here by D. So we have 7A is equal to D. Yeah, tutabaki na D moja hapa. So now D is equal to 7A. We take this and substitute A at the end of the equation. But remember R cube is equal to either this one or this one. So I'm going to use this one, the simple one. A plus D over A. So R cube is equal to A. A is D. So 7, okay, I can have D. That is 7A plus badala ya hii d I will put 7a kwa sababu d is equal 7a. That is now 7a, a plus d, which is 7a divided by a. So this is 8a divided by a, and the answer is going to be r cube is equal to 8. 8a divided by a will cancel out. Now r equal to the cube root of 8. So r is equal to 2. Given that the 10th term of the GP is 5120, find the values of a and d. The 10th of the GP. So the 10th is AR9, which is equal to 531. So, but we know our A. We can get our A there. You know, we are looking for the first term. We know R. So A 2 raised to power 9 is equal to 5120. So divided by 2 raised to power 9 divided by 2 raised to power 9. So A is equal to 512 divided by 512. A raised to power 9 is S. So A is equal to 10. So given the term, find the terms of A and D. Lakini tunajua kwamba A plus D is equal to, remember this, A plus D is equal to A R cube. Now we have A. Is it A that, yeah, we have A, that is 10 plus D is equal to A, which is 10 times R, which is 2 cube. We have R, which is 2. So 10 plus D is equal to, this is 80. So D equal to 80 minus, so it end up on D, minus 10. D is equal to 70. So we were looking for the value of A and D. So A equal to 10, D is equal to 70. Calculate the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP. The sum of AP. Remember, sum of AP is given by Sn is equal to n over 2 into 2a plus into bracket n minus 1 d. So the first 20, we are working now for 20. N is 20. So that is now 20 over 2 into 2a. A is 10 times 10 plus into 20 minus 1 times d. Our d is 70. This one will be 10 into 20 plus 19 times 70. This one will be 1350 times 10. And the answer is 1350. The average of the first and fourth terms of a GP is 140. Given that the first term is 64, find the common ratio. Find the common ratio. So the first term of a GP is, so first term is actually A. So, and then the fourth is A R cube. So the sum, the average, it means unaongeza alafu una divide by 2. So that is the average. So the average, that is A plus AR cube divided by 2. Yes. The average will be equal to 140. That is, the average will be like that. So we have been told that given that the first term is 64, so the first term A is equal to 64. Now tuna substitute 64 kwa A hapa. So we are going to have 64 plus 64 R cube divided by 2. The answer is 140. Tunataka tutoe hii tu hapa chini, tuna multiply both sides. Hii yote times 2 ndio tutoe hii hapa. So tukifanya hivyo hapa itaisha, tabaki 64 plus 64 R cube is equal to 280. So like terms together, this one will go this side to equal subtraction. So 64 R cube is equal to 216 when we subtract 64 here. So divide by both sides by 64 so that we have R cube 64. So R cube is equal to 3.375. So to get so R cube is equal to 3.375. So to get R, you find the cube root for both sides. The cube root of 3.375. So R is equal to 1.5. R is equal to 1.5.